diving into one of the hottest red dot sights on the market, the Holosun 507c. It's packed with features that make it a standout choice. It's compact, lightweight, and offers multiple reticle options to suit different shooting preferences. And with its durable construction, you don't have to worry about it breaking through normal day-to-day life or even LARPing on the gun range. If you're new to firearms or just looking to upgrade your optic, then you've come to the right place. And if you'd like to purchase this optic, I have an Amazon link for you down in the description that'll take you to this exact product. Before we get into why the 507c is a great choice for beginners, let's take a closer look at its features. This model includes multiple reticle settings, including shake awake, a solar panel, and a side battery compartment so you don't have to lift the optic to swap it out. Now, mounting and zeroing a red dot can be intimidating for new shooters, but with the Holosun 507c, it's pretty simple. As for zeroing, I set up a target at 20 yards and shot several 3-round groups and adjusted it until it was just right. Now, let's talk about performance. The Holosun 507c delivers on all fronts, with a crisp, clear reticle that makes target acquisition a snap. Whether you're at the range or out in the field, you can trust this sight to deliver consistent, reliable performance every time. Because of the focusing with my camera, it leaves the dot looking washed out. Don't worry, it's not how the reticle actually looks. So the best part is, the Holosun 507c won't break the bank. Compared to other red dot options in its class, it offers unbeatable value without sacrificing performance or quality. It currently comes in at $309 USD, which is certainly a great deal. If you're in the market for a red dot sight, then look no further than the Holosun 507c. Again, if you are interested in purchasing this optic today, I have a link for you down in the description below. Thanks for watching another Range Rulerz video. My name is Parker, and I'll see you guys in the next one.